So, how about a flying lesson tomorrow, Clarice?
Really? I mean, you're not too busy being so famous and all.
Well, you want to earn your wings, don't you?
Mr. Rudolph, sir? May I have your autograph?
You sure are popular, Rudolph.
Oh, popular? Actually, he's the most famous reindeer of them all.
Famous? Why, he's a legend. Everybody, a toast to our true blue bosom buddy, Rudolph!
To Rudolph!
To Rudolph! Bad Bumble, bad!
Got one word for you, my friend. Dentures.
Huh?
Come on, Rudolph! Let's go! Come on, yeah! You can do it!
Gee, guys, thanks. Being famous is swell and all, but the truth is, I never did anything to deserve it.
And he's modest, too.
All I ever wanted was
Blow your nose, Rudolph.
to be like everybody else.
Come on, champ. Let's see the trick with the disco ball. Right?
Disco ball! Disco ball! Disco ball! Disco
Guess I'm just a novelty act around here.
Hermey the elf, DDS? At your service. King Moon Racer's got a royal toothache. Can you come to the island of Misfit Toys? You bet.
Need an assistant, Hermey?
What a pal.